afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for January 19th, 2017. About 2 hours before the close. Want to get this out early. We have two things going on in here. Number one, I have the second episode of Train Your Brains series right here. Sorry if I sound like I'm slurring my speech. I just had 4 fillings put in my teeth, so this will wear off by the time I'm doing this. But basically today, we're talking about feel, and we're talking about using correlation techniques. And I'm going to do that at 4:15. Also, I'm on the gold room at 3 o'clock, and I don't know if you know, we have a trial. Usually we have the $7 trial for the silver. This time you're going to get the $7 trial for the gold. So pretty neat on how that works in here, and pretty exciting on that you'll be able to get that in there. The gold includes me from not only 9 to 10 in the morning, but on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, it includes me on the close from 3 to 4. And then the other good part about this, we have the third Friday of every month. And I'm trying to get you the link for it. And I'll have it to you in a second here. The third Friday of every month, you're going to actually get a trade the close, where what you do in there is third Friday of the month is by far the busiest expiration day. So I know there's weeklies, but there are a lot of stocks that don't have options that expire this month except the third Friday of the month. Your trial will include this live trading class this Friday, 3-hour live trading class. So you get where you trade the close recording, and the live monthly class. We're also starting the trading room app, which I'm very excited about. So I just wanted to put that out first. Second thing in here, and that's why I'm putting it, like I said, I'm getting on early, because number one, I'm on the gold at 3 o'clock, and I'm also doing this free webinar after the close. We do a number of webinars and then go in our learning series. We have at least 10 in there. I try to do them every other week. You're not getting charged extra. As long as you have your subscription with us, they're free. Like I said, sorry if my S's are a little odd right now. I really apologize. So today is all about the dollar again. Strong dollar. Russell trying to hold up in here. Transports, even with some lousy earnings from CSX, trying to hold up in here. And then you have a lot of economically sensitive stocks just soaring today. Go and check U.S. Steel. So what's the moral of the story? People think the strong dollar, good for the economy. Not really affecting the Russell like you'd think, but it's not falling out of bed. But a lot of the economically sensitive stocks, the X's of the world, the GMs of the world, the Nucors just going crazy today, including stocks like Deere. So the whole idea about this is there are a lot of differing ways to look at this market. Obviously, the ES is holding in this zone right here. You have the Russell down, like I said, only 4. And when you have a strong dollar, when you think we might have an economic recovery, we have an economic recovery. If you think we're getting some inflation on the next batch of stimulus, you're right. Bonds getting trashed down 115 in here. So the whole idea about this is economically sensitive idea. And guess what? Transports are now up. They just moved 10 points in the last 1 minute. Just unbelievable how that works in here. As you see in here, crude oil down, gold down, a lot of commodities down because of the strong dollar. You get the bonds getting trashed. And isn't that amazing? The second I mention it, the transports come right up. You have the advanced decline today, moderately down, not anything to write home about. VIX up a bit. The VIX futures down a bit. We've seen this very many times in here. Nikkei trying to make back some of its losses from last couple of days. Like I said, the TLT getting whacked here down 140. So what do I think about what's going on with the market? Number one, obviously we're biding time before the inauguration. There are people that think that Trump's going to do executive orders to jumpstart the economy even more than it is. When I say jumpstart the economy, don't forget we're not in a recession. We still are having sort of a humdrum kind of market. But supposedly, infrastructure, tax holiday, you name it, there's all kinds of rumors going along. On the other hand, there are other people that think he might just be a disruption and there's some uncertainty. So because of that, we're seeing the market just stuck in this range like you see here. So that's what I'm going to expect until he talks at the inauguration, also next Monday and Tuesday, and we'll see what happens in here. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you can take advantage of our $7 30-day trial to the gold side. So everybody have a great night.